Yeah, the one and only Whit Lowry. Motherfuckers better not forget it. I've been paying my dues and you barely giving me credit. You been paying the label. I did it all independent. I said I didn't, I meant to. Your girl, she found me on Reddit. Your girl, she found me authentic. That's something you wouldn't get. I'm allergic to fucking rappers, so I'm ill with a pen. I'm ill to my friend, my one friend back in the day. Said, okay, go buy a mic and write your feed me, then feed me more. My middle finger to a rapper scared to take me on tour. I don't need it all, I'm seeing horror readings galore. And when you left, I didn't stress it, I just opened the door. I said it before, team waiting to my death. Still I came up from broken and hollow. The music and model, she hope for a follow. I'm feeling myself, I've been working all week. I ain't getting no sleep, they keep buying me drinks, but it's bad for my health. I got models have naked, so mama, I'm making your girl that she basically say real to myself. And I'm good, now motherfucker, I'm good. Now motherfucker, now here we go, another Twitter tough guy on a couch talking about I'll be so famous if I hit 10,000. And if I tweet at someone relevant, I might get found. I think my girl might be pregnant, man, I blew in her mouth. I'm losing it now, I'm using all your lyrics to cope. I know it said that you were garbage, man, and really you don't. I had to cope with that after high school, I'm a joke. And I'm losing hope because my only skill is drinking and smoke. Guess a rope, and you don't wanna see what happened to Whit. I learned how to flip the script while I was working for Vince. I had your dream job before I started rapping and shit. Gave it away so I could save a generation of kids. It's been a minute since I came in and invented this shit. Stealing my style and my lyrics, and that makes you my bitch. Now I'm the shit, and you're the piss that I let sit on the rim. My future is bright, your future is dim. You're waiting for my next single so that you can go and steal it again. Still I came up from broken and hollow. The music and model, she hope for a follow. I'm feeling myself, I've been working all week. I ain't getting no sleep, they keep buying me drinks, but it's bad for my health. I got models have naked, so mama, I'm making your girl that she basically saying real to myself. And I'm good, now motherfucker, I'm good. Now motherfucker, if life is nothing but a bitch, I hope my dick is big enough to fuck the whole world. My old girl, your new girl could have. I've been focused on places and people that really matter. My team is going where I go, I'm holding up both the ladders. My pockets is getting fatter and filled with bills, I'm in debt. So funny how we think money is the key to success. Well, that intelligence is something you can prove with a test. You said I was less, I'm here to prove to y'all I'm the best. Got rap in the